So hi Kalaminions, I'm here at Peri-Peri Chicken and Sauce Bar, and I'm here with some of my vlogger friends. Here's Kitty. Come on, Kitty. Kitty, the most famous Cebuano Facebooker. No! Romeo, asa di saya? Come on, Jullian. Jullian Sibi, Cebu's top tech vlogger. Come on. Brennan, kita Brennan. Brennan. Yeah, BCBA top food blogger for 2015. So we're here. We are gonna enjoy their chicken tonight and try out their 8 different sauces. So watch out, guys. Check out our video.
I am tasting Peri-Peri's deep fried baby squid. We're gonna try. You know how kanang squid has this aftertaste. Sometimes it has an aftertaste, but with the baby squid, wala. Yummy siya.
Let me get cheese especially. Mozzarella cheese and
Think of the chicken.
I am not a food blogger.
I would have wanted it to be spicier, but maybe that's the sauces.
And I'm tired of boring of food blogger.
What's your favorite sauce here?
For me, I choose one best sauces, and this Peri-Peri is biscuit barbecue. Chile pepper and Cajun remoulade. Cajun and chile pepper. Barbecue. Cajun.
Mas flavorful ang ribs nila dito kaysa sa Casa Verde.
Awesome area, chicken and sauce bar.
It's located in Meerea High Street.
Ouano Avenue. Yeah, just close to SM and going So check this out. Check this out. And try their chicken, their ribs, what else do you like?
I love their humongous mozzarella sticks. It should be called fingers.
And also the baby squid. Come on.
Oh yeah, right. The baby squid. I love it.
Yeah, check it out, check it out.